Hi guys, so for this week's design what I've done is start with this coral base and I'm then using a burgundy, and as you can see I've done a kind of triangle shape on each nail, but they're all in different positions. Next, using silver, we're going to outline the burgundy. Next, using a silver striper, we're going to add one short silver line. Just by the side of the silver line, we're going to do a row of silver dots. Then, using the same coral that we started with, we're going to do a row of dots on the burgundy by the white lines. Lastly, using the burgundy, we're going to do a row of dots next to the black lines.